one final morning at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Sorry, my voice is terrible. My sinuses are still just raging. I don't think I'll be coming to Florida again when everything is blooming because it's trying to murder me. But I love seeing a giraffe in the morning. We had some wicked storms last night. We actually got a tornado warning. Anyways, we're packing up, heading out, ready to be home. I miss it. Goodness. Bye-bye, Kidani. It's a nice day.
Please come to gate 101 to see the agent.
Airport lunch, fried rice, wonton soup. Yum. Heading home.
The good news is we'll probably get you there early. The bad news is probably cold.
It's 60 degrees.
It's what?
60 degrees.
Oh my God, it's a heat wave.
It is. It is. Tropical.
Yeah. How long is that going to last?
One day.
I predict it.
Hello everybody, Future Ann here. Thank you so much for watching through all 13 days of our Disney vlog. My family had a wonderful time. I realized I didn't really film much of an outro because I wasn't feeling very well. My sinuses ended up turning into like a full-blown sinus infection / cold, and Sean came up with a cold, and unfortunately the day after we got back my parents also tested positive for COVID. Thankfully we're all vaccinated and boosted, so my parents actually had a much easier time recovering than Sean and I did with regular colds. So I guess it's what you can expect when you go to a super crowded theme park. But I don't think we would go back during March again simply because of the crowds. Mom and I had gone in November last year and it was so much more manageable. I deal with a lot of pretty bad anxiety and just some mental hurdles, and towards the end of the trip I was really feeling it pretty bad. Something I didn't quite explain in my videos is that I do use the DAS pass at Disney, not just for anxiety but some for actual physical health issues as well. I didn't really go into it very much because it's something I'm kind of embarrassed about because I'm an adult, and usually you think, oh, the disability pass is for kids, but it is something that the first time I went to Disney with my husband in 2015, we hardly rode anything because of my health issues. So in 2017, I learned about the Disability Pass program, and it changed everything about our trips. So for those who don't know about it, it is available. You don't need a doctor's note. They take your word for it. Just visit guest relations on your first day at any of the 4 parks, and they'll help you through it. So it basically means I still wait the amount of time for a ride that everybody else does just outside of the line. So for me, I need very quick access to a bathroom a lot of the time. So, which I mean, again, it's kind of embarrassing. So, but it's just a huge help, and it's a huge stress relief for us. So a lot of time, like when we're waiting for our time to go back and ride, we'll see a show or just find somewhere quiet to sit, or I'll find someplace quiet to sit, and everybody else will go ride something, which is totally cool. I don't mind. I love people watching and just chilling out and just soaking in the atmosphere. I do that a lot. So now that these vlogs are done, they're done. I have some vlogs from Branson, Missouri coming up. We went there for the first week of May with my father-in-law. So the 3 of us will share that with you. And then We did spend 2 days at Silver Dollar City, who they also offer a very, very helpful disability press program. So you'll kind of, I don't really talk about it there either, but you'll see us using it then when we go to the exit for a lot of the rides. So we'll be loading from the opposite sides of the platforms. So you'll see kind of that. In future videos, I'm going to try to be more open about this, so maybe it'll help someone else. Because for me, I learned about the Disability Pass program from another vlogger. If you ever watch Adam Houghton, he's from Britain or the UK. Him and his friend Gary C. Go to the parks, and I learned about the Disability Pass from his vlogs. So thank you, Adam. You'll never watch this because I have 22 viewers. But thank you. It changed the entire quality of my trips. So anyways, Branson is coming up next in my vlogs. I have a short vlog from Six Flags from last year that I forgot to upload, so I'll upload that too. And then coming up, we don't do much in the summer because there's a lot of local stuff here in Wisconsin that we love to do. So we don't travel really because it's hot everywhere else and it's just a no-go. So coming up after the summer will be Universal. We will be spending a week there at the end of September for Halloween Horror Nights, and we'll be spending a day at Volcano Bay. We have a cabana rented. I'm very excited about that. And then at the end of October for Halloween, my mom and I are going back to Disney. So we'll be staying at the Polynesian again. Hopefully by then I'm a little better at vlogging, so they should be a little better quality than the last ones I made last year. So yeah, my mom and I will be spending the week at Disney for that. We're going to do the Halloween party. We have our tickets for the day before Halloween because Hanson is performing at Epcot on Halloween. So I've got to go see them because my inner child is screaming about it. So, so that will be coming up. And then cruise wise, my mom and I are going to take a girls cruise on the Disney Wish in January. So that's the next cruise that all my dress sisters will be on from the Disney Dress Shop Facebook group. So we're going to do that together, just the two of us, just a short weekend, 3-day cruise. And then in April, for my husband and I's anniversary, we are also going on the Wish. So that will be at the end of April. We'll be doing the longer Monday through Friday cruise on the Wish then. And then the week following that, we'll actually be staying for Universal for a week with my father-in-law. So yeah, so we got some fun stuff planned. So it's spaced a little bit apart. I'm hoping to sprinkle some things in between, and I'll vlog those if we do them. I spend a lot of time at Six Flags in the summer. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hi to all 22 viewers I have. Mostly I vlog for family and friends and to make memories. So, because life is short and I just want to be able to remember it the best I can. So, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a magical day. That's weird. Anyways, thank you. Bye.